Are you sure we can't call anyone?
Is George okay?
I always thought of myself as a house. I was always what I lived in. It didn't need to be big, it didn't even need to be beautiful, it just needed to be mine. I became what I was meant to be. I built myself a life. I built myself a house.
Second trailer on your right. Thank you.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes,
You could keep it and rent it out.
this is what he wanted.
I read the letter, you read the will. He wanted you to keep it and live in it someday.
All right, maybe it's not what he wanted, but it's what he was hoping for. Maybe it's what I want.
"29 years ago, my father crossed a double line,
Excuse me.
changed my life
Hi.
and the life of a little girl forever without mistake.
That's my mom.
Just can't stop thinking about her.
Do you mind if we steal just a moment of your time?
Okay. Have a seat.
Thank you. My father built you a house.
I don't understand.
Well, my father's family got in a car accident with your family. And he was meant to pass away.
With every crash of every wave, I hear something now. I never listened before. I'm on the edge of a cliff, listening. Almost finished. If you were a house, Sam, this is where you would want to be built. On rock, facing the sea, listening. Listening.